Hi, good morning children. Welcome to EVA session. Here, open the page number 135. The value points are there. Do not waste water. There will be no word, no you or me if there is a no fresh water. Yes, a single every drop of water is very important. So water is very useful. You should be used carefully and not wasted because because in next generation the water is very precious. So do not waste water. A single drop of water is not get, there will be no world because all living things need water like plants, animals and human beings. So the water is very important. If there is no water, there will be no word, no you or no me. So if there is no fresh water, so the some points is I would like to share you how you can save water. That is first one. Here, do not whenever throw the garbage into the some sources of water, that garbage you should burn it in some places, burn the some places, but don't throw in the water body, that is even also fresh water body. Do not throw the garbage into some sources of water. And next come to collect the rainwater from the rooftop in tanks. Understood? Where in a rainy season, put digging on the, even also the in earth also we will digging the hole. It will collect the tanks and rooftops and all. They collect the rainwater. We will use by washing the clothes or watering from the plants. We will do. Next come to water used for the washing the fruit or vegetables can be reused for the watering plants and cleaning the floor. Yes, what I will telling that the water is we are using washing the fruits and vegetables, that water we will be reused. Do not throw into the sink and all. That water give to the water pipes for the gardening purposes, reused for the watering that the plants and cleaning the floors. So do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth or bathing. Do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth or bathing. And use buckets of water instead of the washing car or watering the plants. Don't take pipes and all. Do not use buckets of water instead of the pipes or washing the cars or watering the plants. I repeat once again, do not throw garbage into sources of water. Collect rainwater from the rooftops of tanks, and water is used for washing the fruits and vegetables can be reused for watering plants and cleaning the floors. And do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth or bathing, and use buckets of water instead of the pipes for washing the cars and watering the plants, so we can save water. If we are wise, we should always close taps after use. All leakage taps and pipes should be fixed. Understood? So these are the major plan for the saving the water. So we should keep our sources of water clean. The garbage should not be thrown into them. Understood? So have you ever thrown any rubbish into water body, children? No, don't throw. Have you seen the people do it? If you in a village people, they are throwing there only. Even animals are washing there only. Utensils washing there only. And please tell to him, don't do not, because water is very important. So people, animals and plants need water to live. So we use water for drinking, washing, bathing and cooking. So we get water from the natural and man-made sources, but we should not pollute the water. We should drink clean and pure water. We should not waste a water. Understood? Okay. Bye children. Have a good day.